you want to segregate your data set into two pieces. One is your model set, and that's the data set that you train your model on or that you build your model from. And then you have a test set, and the test set are values that the model hasn't seen. And then once you've built your model and you're happy with the model that you've built, that you put together, then you use your test set and see how it works. Achha, I've been cheating in the sense that I've trained the model. If you look at model A, what is model A? Model A is from 2017 to 2018, which are these prices. So this is model A. You are testing in Jan 23. So the reason why your R square is high but your fit is off is your R square is high for this period, and maybe you'd get a better pricing. So for example, if you tested the price for, let's say, on 2nd Jan 2018, you may have had a better fit. But what I've done is I've sort of flipped the model in the sense that, yeah, I had a regression model, but rather than testing it on 2018 data, I'm testing on 2023 data. A couple of things happened. One, the model has changed. So underlying the real world model has changed. One, the environment and context has changed. Baseline values have changed. Fit has changed. What you're seeing is what we call slippage. So the parameters have slipped, right? And you need to sort of bring them back in alignment. Ran the same model on the 2022 data set, it's possible that you'd get different sets of values and a different fit. But we didn't do that. We've removed, and I did that intentionally. I've removed the 2022 data to see whether my model still stays stable. So R square and P values have their usage, and you can certainly play with them. But in the end, what really matters is not your R square value and P test values. In the end, what matters is how accurate your prediction was compared to what happened in the real world. I wanted to make it more interesting. I wanted to make sure that the model was looking at the parameters and was not sort of playing with the intercept to solve it. Result तो आ गया ना आपके पास. You still have the results, right, that you wanted. और फिर एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्ट ये था कि अगर आप यहाँ पे देखें ना, जो हमने रेंजेस आइडेंटिफाई की थी अपने लिए, यहाँ पे हमने रेंजेस आइडेंटिफाई की थी, राइट? These are different base levels. So if you use the intercept, what that would do is that it would sort of chain the model to this specific timeline or this specific time period. But by removing the intercept, I was only looking at the relationship between the factors that I'd identified and the predicted value. क्योंकि अगर आप यहाँ पे करते, यहाँ पे वैल्यू सिर्फ 900 के आसपास थी, तो आपका इंटरसेप्ट उसके हिसाब से चलता. यहाँ पे वैल्यू जो है वो 10,000 के आसपास थी तो उसके हिसाब से चलता. यहाँ पे वैल्यू जो है 10,000 के आसपास के हिसाब से चलता. यहाँ पे वैल्यू जो 50,000 के आसपास थी. I wanted to predict the price and get to a desired level of accuracy without relying on any crypto-driven factor. So once you've done the baseline model, then you can think and explore, if I adding this improves the accuracy of my model, and you can test that and try it out and see if it works. And if it does, then you're more than welcome to use it. But not for Monday. For Monday, you have to do it without a crypto model. आपके पास, इफ यू थिंक इन टर्म्स ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस कोर्स ना, 2-3 चीज़ें आई वांट टू एम्फसाइज. देखें, आगे बस 3 इसके बाद बहुत बड़े डेटा सेट आने वाले हैं. सो एक दैट डील्स विद प्राइसिंग मोटर इंश्योरेंस, एक दैट डील्स विद आइडेंटिफाइंग और प्रिडिक्टिंग क्रेडिट डिफॉल्ट, एक दैट डील्स विद डिपॉजिट बिहेवियर एनालिसिस. वो तीनों मॉडल्स will increase in sophistication, will increase in complexity as we move forward. सबसे आसान जो है वो मोटर इंश्योरेंस वाला है, तो वो हम कर लेंगे और होपफुली वो 2-2.5 हफ्ते में हो जाएगा. फिर उसके बाद हम जाएंगे टू क्रेडिट डिफ़ॉल्ट, फिर उसके बाद हम जाएंगे टू डिपॉजिट बिहेवियर. ये जो बिटकॉइन वाला मॉडल है, ये हमारी एक वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज है. और ये वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज किस हिसाब से कि हम कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट करना चाहते हैं. हम दिखाना चाहते हैं कि जी अगर आप नंबर प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो कैसे प्रेजेंट करेंगे, रिजल्ट प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो कैसे प्रेजेंट करेंगे, चार्ट प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो कैसे प्रेजेंट करेंगे, मॉडल बनाएंगे तो कैसे बनाएंगे, और मॉडल की वैल्यूएशन करेंगे तो कैसे वैल्यूएट करेंगे, फिट करके वैल्यूएट करेंगे, चला के दिखाएंगे मुझे, राइट? सो द बिटकॉइन मॉडल इज सॉर्ट लाइक अ ट्रायल मॉडल. आप एक फील्ड पे आए हैं फुटबॉल खेलने के लिए, आप एक फील्ड के ऊपर एक टेस्ट गेम खेल रहे हैं ताकि आपको पिच का अंदाजा हो जाए. And then once you're comfortable with that, then you'll actually start playing the real match. Alright, Ji. So thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. And thank you very much for questions. I will see you guys, inshallah, on Monday.